Hello everyone, welcome to part 181 of ecom series in Laravel 6, and we will continue working on wishlist that we have started some videos earlier. Okay, so first of all we will see that what things we have done in wishlist. See, we have created that add to wishlist button. We have created wishlist table as well, and we able to add products from detail page to wishlist. And after adding the product, we able to add this wish list page as well. See, the issue is coming, so here we need to do few things, so that issue will not come when the user is not logged in. Then issue is coming. So first of all we will resolve this issue, then we'll continue working on wishlist page that we have created in last video. Okay, so first we need to see that why this issue is coming. This issue is coming in wishlist function. So I'm going to open this wishlist function. First of all, it's in ProductsController, and I'm going to open this wishlist function, and here I'm going to see that we have not given anything here, that if in case user has not logged in, then what thing. So we will do o check here. Okay, if o check, if user is logged in only, then this code must work, otherwise this code must not work at all. Okay, and all this code we can put inside this one. Okay, this one like this. Okay, so this one we can put it here, and this one we can remove. I don't know how to remove in Mac like this. Sorry. So okay, so this one we have put inside check, but now another issue might come, because user wish list here is will create issue, can create issue. So else we can do it like this, might be. No, not here. We will check here. But actually it's not an array. We will see once that see, now it is fine. So wishlist is empty, there is nothing displayed here. Another thing is that you can put this wishlist inside the auth routes, means where we are maintaining all the auth routes inside this front login. Okay, so this is the another thing that we can do. So I will open here, control F, wishlist. Here, where is my wishlist page? This is the wishlist page, and wishlist page we will not give access to everyone. User must log in first to access the wishlist page. So for that we will put it here. Okay, means after login, this front login middleware that we have created for means after login routes. So this one we just added it here, and now we can check. Then it will ask you to log in first, only then you can view wishlist. Okay, so now this is error has been removed. Now we can simply log in here and go to wishlist page. You can see the wish list is here. Okay, so this is the product that we have added from detail page in last video, and now we are going to work on this add to cart button. We need to work on this video, and here one form is required in the same way like we have done in detail page. In detail page also there is one form, add to cart form, and here also we require one form so that we can add this product to cart, to shopping cart. But before adding this product we will check the product is in stock or not, only then we will able the user to add the product in shopping cart. And few other things we need to do. We need to change variables as per the cart table. I'm going to see that this page. First of all, I'm going to open this page. This is the wishlist blade file, and I will also open the detail blade file where we are adding the products. Okay, So this is the form that we require there. This is the form, add to cart form. This is the form that we require there. Okay, so I will see add to cart, and this is the add to cart. So we require button here, submit button we require along with this form. So I'm going to copy this form. We are going to use this form there. Okay, and up till here I'm going to copy up till this one. Okay, I'm going to copy and will paste this form here, add to card. Here I'm going to paste this one. Before TD I'm going to paste so that no issue will come. Okay, I'm going to paste it like this, and after TD I'm going to here close this form as well. Here I'm going to close this form. Okay, so here I require the button as well, so I will copy the same button, add to cart button we require. So I will see where is the add to cart button. This kind of button we require there. Okay, so otherwise we can create our own button as well, but we can also copy. Okay, let me copy this one. I'm going to copy this one and we'll put this button here. First I'm going to put it like this. Okay, so I will see that how it will look like this. Okay, so this add to button we have put as well, and now we need to remove the undefined variable product details. Okay, so that is fine. So we need to change the variables here. Okay, these variables won't work here. Okay, so here we need to change the variable with the here means what we are using card, then we will use card. One thing we can use here, we will not use card, we will use the wish list here, that is better than the card. So okay, so I'm going to make first of all like wish list here, and I am going to remove this dollar card with wish list. Wish list look better than the card because we are working on the wish list. So I'm going to change everything here to okay, dollar wish list like this. Okay, so this is the thing that we have done. Okay, and here also we need to change wish list as well. Okay, so now it is fine. And now another thing we need to do here, we need to change these variables also to wish list. Okay, now it's fine. Now I'm going to check here. See, now there is no issue at all, and now we can remove this one to cart. This link is not required anymore. We can remove this link. Okay, can simply remove this one, and now we can refresh once again. Now you can see add to cart button has come up here to add the product from wish list to cart. Okay, so these variables also we have added in hidden type, and after that we are just submitting the form. Okay, so it is going to add card like we have done in detail page. And now one thing we need to update here, uh, we need to update the value here. We will do we will not use value. This one we need to make it different because we need to add some condition there. So we will make something as here. We will make the same thing like this. Add to card we can make. Okay, add to card like this. Okay, so this one we can make it here. There also you can do it like this, add to card. Okay, so this one. So now we need to update add to card function, and first of all we will check here in add to card function. We will check that whether everything is coming fine here or not. Okay, so I'm going to refresh and we'll try to add this product to cart. Okay, so you can see that all the information is coming fine. Product ID is coming, product name is coming, and product code, product color, price is also coming. So all the information is coming fine here. So now see, if in case of wish list, means that thing that when we add the product from detail page to wish list, then this one is we are using. And if we are adding from detail page to shopping cart, then this in else condition we are working on. So we are going to work it here. We can remove this one, and here we need to work on. But here we need to make one more check, because here we will make this check: if product added from wish list. Okay, if in case product added from wish list, then then we are going to work on a few other things. Okay, so here I'm going to do like this. If uh, I'm going to use this one, uh, yeah, this thing I'm going to use once again. I'm going to copy this statement and will paste it again. I'm going to make changes in this one. If not empty, here I am going to make changes here as well, and I can change the name card button. Okay, I'm going to use card button here. The card button, and this card button equal to add to cart. Okay, first of all I'm going to see whether it will work or not. Okay, here I'm going to check out that whether we will come here or not. Okay, so I'm going to check control refresh. I'm going to do sorry, I need to disable this one, and then we'll check. Sorry, I'm not so good. Yeah, in Mac I am still not so good, so that's why I don't know the commands. So see, the test is coming, so our control is coming here. Okay, so means we are reaching here at this part. So here we need to make few more changes. Here now we want to add this product to cart from wish list. So for adding the product to cart from wish list, here we need to see that our see here, I will again show you that what we are getting here. We are getting, see the things that we are getting the product underscore id, product underscore name. We are getting like this: product underscore name, this one, product underscore code, this one, product underscore color, this one. Okay, like this. Okay, so everything we are getting like this. So here but here we can see that in earlier code we are getting like this: dollar data product underscore id, product underscore id, that is fine. And size we are calculating here like this: product size we are calculating like this. But here we don't require to do this, because no, size is not there. So we need to send this size as well from there. So for that we will add here one more thing. We are going to add the size as well, or we need to add the size in the same way like we are sending there in detail page. We are embedding the size in two things. Okay, we are doing in detail page, we are sending, we are merging the size with the id. So that's why we are doing explode here. You can see we are doing explode because we are combining the size with the product id. That's why we are doing like this. Okay, so either we can make that same thing, we can combine there as well. First of all, we need to see that how we are combining this size. In select size we are combining this size. Here you can see first we are adding the id and then we are adding the size. So same thing we can do there. One variable we require there in wishlist blade file, there must be one more variable we require. So I will do like uh, yeah, I will add one more. So here I will add product size. Okay, we will make it the same name here. Okay, size, I will also use the size same way. Let's use the size. Okay, so here I will also combine the two things together. First I will have id. Okay, first of all I will have the id, and after that I am going to have the this size. Okay, okay, now we have the size as well. Now I am going to make a test to check out that whether what information is coming here in this field. Okay, so now it is confined to hyphen small, that is fine. Okay, so we will again change it to hidden. Okay, now we are getting here the correct thing. We are getting here the dollar data size in the same way, so we don't require to do anything. This one will work fine. No, but see, dollar data quantity we are not setting at all. So this one we require to add in this condition, because this one we require dollar data quantity must be 1. Okay, so this thing, and uh, this one not required, this session is also not required. See, this code is repeating. We are already having product size, so this one is not required. I don't think this one required. We can simply comment this one. Now it is fine. Okay, so after that everything, product id we are sending like this. Now once again I will do like this, product id. Okay, product id the same way. After that product name also same, fine, that is product code, product underscore color, and size. Okay, product size is fine. Okay, so let me see that which error will come, then we are going to resolve. Okay, so I'm going to comment it this one, and we'll see that which error will come. Control refresh, I'm going to do command refresh here. Okay, so see, stock of non-object, here we are getting the error, and dollar data quantity, and okay, fine. So the error we are getting because this is the thing, we are getting the product size like this, and this one we are using, and product id that we are using here, and here I think we are getting some error. 722 line, though the line is this one, dollar data quantity we are already sending one, and but this one is giving some issue. Product id we are having dollar data product underscore id, that must be fine, but size here I think might be giving some issue. Now we can check here that why this issue is coming. First of all, I'm going to display dollar data product id. Okay, I'm going to display this one, and then I will check the another one. First of all, I'm going to check this one like this, and see that is coming fine. Okay, so the next one I'm going to check, that is the product underscore size, and that thing I'm going to check this one as well, that why it is giving issue, might be here it is giving some data or not. Okay, so I am going to check this one as well. Okay, so I'm going to see small. This one is also correct. Okay, so both are correct. Then where is the issue? I'm going to check now this one, whether this is giving some issue. This one is getting, we are getting some data from here or not. I'm going to check this one. Otherwise might be that is not going to that condition that we have used earlier. Okay, we can debug it like this. Okay, so you can also debug like this, like I am doing right now. Okay, so here this one I am going to check. See here, the issue is here, stock of non-object. So here it is giving some issue. It is saying that this is not correct. Get product stock. Okay, so why it is giving some issue? Might be it not able to find. We are going to check that why it is giving issue. I am going to open the products attribute, and here the product id is 2, but there not exist any such product id, does not exist. So it means that product id that we are sending is giving some issue. We need to check that what issue is coming from. There might be the product id is not correct. Okay, so I will go back and we'll check this one, and then we'll see that why this issue is coming. Okay, so see there, the product id is 2. I think that might be the issue. Product id is 2 is correct or not, because I don't think that product id exists here. So might be this is the issue. Might be this is not the product id, and so we need to check it here. Product id is given here, but I am not sure that why this is one is the issue. So I need to check it out, why this issue is coming. We need to check here, product id, wishlist id. Here we need to check it out. Okay, so product name. Oof. What is the issue here? Okay, I'm going to check it like this. I'm going to display this one. I will go back and we'll check it out. That I'm going to check what is the product ID here. No, it will not display like this, but black t-shirt with 1000 price. I'm going to check where, what is the issue. Black t-shirt with 1000 price is something, me I think 21 id must be there, or some other id, but uh, uh, so uh, here something is wrong. I need to check the wish list table here. Might be see here, product id is 21. So here we are doing wrong. Here the product id must be product underscore id. That is the uh, problem. So here now the product underscore id. Now we will send the correct id this time. Okay, I'm going to do add to cart once again, and see the product id is still this one. I'm going to refresh it and will send add to cart once again. Now see the product id is correct, 21. So now it will work fine. Now we can simply comment this one, and now this one is also not required. Okay, so this one will also work. I'm going to now check that whether it will work fine or not. And now see, now there is some other issue here, array to string conversion, but we need to check it out where the issue has come up. I am going to check it here. We need to find out where this error has come up. Okay, so see, the test is coming here. So I think here might be the error has come up here. So I'm going to take this to empty this one here. Okay, so here I'm going to check. So we are coming here. Here no issue has come up. So product id we are having, product color having, product site having, user email having. Okay, everything we are having. Then why there is issue? So I'm going to take this here after this statement. And now I'm going to check once again. See, no issue has come up here as well. Okay, so I'm going to take this further, and here I'm going to take. Okay, so let's see, no issue up till here. And now I'm going to take this further on. Sorry for that. Like this here. Okay, so still no issue. So this is the last command for inserting the data. So might be the issue is here somewhere. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to take this one once again to last line here, and I might find the issue here. Here is the issue. Okay, so we need to check out syntax error. Oh, sorry, this one, I've taken the wrong thing here. Okay, so this one, no, we need to take this one. Yeah, here is the issue, so we need to check it out. Insert product ID, product name, product code, get SKU, product color, price. So this SKU we are getting or not, I am not sure. And get SKU we are not getting. You can see we are not getting this get SKU. So for this one, we need to check in add to cart. Okay, from there we can get this SKU, get product SKU. See here, get SKU, we need to use this one there as well. So this one, add to cart here, and then we need to use this one here as well. Okay, so we will check again once again, like this, or there is already, we can see get SKU is already here. So here, then to string conversion, it is not telling the exact issue, that where this issue exactly. But here we need to check one by one, like echo dollar product ID, $21, that is fine. Then product name, might be something is missing. Product name is fine. Then this one SKU, see this one is missing. So get SKU is not working. So this is creating this issue, and we can check out that this product side is required. We require this product side like this. So I just command C and we can put it here, because we have disabled this one, that's why issue has come up. Okay, so we can directly use the product side like this, or we just enable this code. Now the issue must not come. Okay, fine, now it is fine. Now we can try once again. This one we can remove as well. Okay, so now finally the message has come that product has been added in cart. Now we can check in cart as well. See, the same product has been added in cart. Finally we able to add the product in cart. Okay, so you can do in the same way. First you need to add the form in your wish list. Okay, you need to add the form in your wish list. Here in this part you need to add the form, complete form, like in detail page, that will carry all the information of this product, along with the product id, product name, product code, color, size, everything. So after clicking on add to cart, you can bring this one to the same function that we are using at the time of detail page, add to cart. And there you can add one condition as well. There you can make the quantity as well, or you can pass the quantity there as well. You not require this one as well. Okay, this condition you can remove, and you can add this quantity here as well. Then you don't require this condition at all. Okay, so same thing, nothing to change, and this same code will work, and the product will get added to cart. Okay, if the product is in stock. Okay, so nothing else you need to do, and we can make this hidden as well. Okay, so here you can do like this. Okay, so now it is working fine, and you can also try this at your end. Now in next video we will also do the remove functionality, so that will remove the product from the wish list. And if you will also check in Amazon, the same kind of functionality they have used as well. Like if you will put some product there in Amazon as well, put this one in your wish list, and you can check your wish list there, and you can check out that add to cart their functionality as well. You can add any product to cart, and you can then go to your card, and you view your card, and you will find the same product here. So same kind of functionality we have done, but they have used even better functionality than us. They have used ajax as well, they have used much more things, but we have done the same thing in the simple way. Okay, you can also try at your end, and if you have any query, you can surely contact me in video description. Okay, that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.